This PC has the closest specs you can get to an Xbox One. Let's see, do they perform the same? And is this better because it's PC? This PC comes equipped with an HD 7770, 8GB of DDR3 1333 MHz RAM, an FX 8120 processor, 500GB hard drive, and just some random Insignia power supply I got for 18 bucks. The Xbox One comes equipped with an 8-core 1.75 GHz Jaguar APU with 8GB of 133300 MHz DDR3 RAM and a 500GB hard drive. Now, in terms of gaming performance for the Xbox One, for AAA titles, you're going to be looking at 900p at around 30 FPS. Now, that may change per game, but that's just we're gonna assume that's the case for most games when we're comparing. All the footage you see captured here is from a different PC, not the Xbox One PC build. Now, in terms of performance, here in Apex Legends, we are getting an average of 40 FPS, a minimum of 14, and a maximum of 59. And then in Fallout 4, we saw an average of 39 FPS, a minimum of 22, and a maximum of 51. Here in Doom, we got an average of 32 FPS, a minimum of 16, and a maximum of 59. Here in Assassin's Creed Odyssey, we got an average of 35 FPS, a minimum of 0, and a maximum of 161. Based on my own experience, I feel like this PC performed very similar to an Xbox One. Now, if you guys feel like there's any parts I could have used differently that would have been closer to an Xbox One in terms of specs, please let me know down in the comments, and if I really screwed up, I'll do another follow-up video. And if you guys want me to do a different console, please let me know, and I'll do it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. It's the worst outro.